Here's the latest update. Delhi will get its new chief minister by 20th of February. On Thursday, we are expecting the announcement of the new Delhi chief minister to take oath on Thursday itself. According to our sources within the BJP, the Bharatiya Janata Party Legislature Party meeting will be held a day prior, 19th February. The swearing-in ceremony will likely be held on the 20th. Remember, that announcement is still awaited. Prime Minister Modi returning to the country. It was believed that after his return from the USA, that announcement could be made. So anytime now, of course, the decision that will be taken with the party legislature meeting that will be held on 19th. Would it be right after that or before that? We'll know at least the name itself. Remember, all sorts of names and speculations are going forth. There are several front-runners. Who will the BJP eventually choose? Aishwarya Paliwal joining me. Aishwarya, so looks like 20th has been decided as the day that Delhi is set to get its new CM. What do you hear about the deliberations, discussions happening?
Well, Pooja, one thing I can tell you, deliberations and discussions are galore. We have seen ever since the results came out on that day, from that day, in fact, we have seen the top leadership in a huddle. There are names, close to 8 names that we are now seeing. They are the names which are at the forefront, the top 8 names we can see. And also we did see when the parliament session was on, people were coming, those MLAs who had won, they were coming and meeting the president, JP Nadda. So speculations are right. Will we get a woman chief minister, Pooja? That is also something that everyone is very keenly looking at. We have had, the national capital has had 2 former women chief ministers. Will we get a third one? Will BJP also project a woman chief minister? That is also a speculation which is right. The crucial meeting, Pooja, will now take place on the 19th. And from what we understand at the moment, the dates could actually vary. But from what we understand, by the 20th is when we will have the name, and we'll also have a grand ceremony, because that's the ceremony that will take place in the national capital. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be present, and he will be.
So 20th February, that is when the big announcement will be made. There are at least 4 to 5 big names. Will BJP pick from that, or could there be a surprise mention?